My skin is just popping, right? So hi my loves, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you the cleanest way to shave your armpits and your private parts, and also how to use your body lotion for a brighter and effective result. So if this is a topic that you are interested in, do wait to watch this video, and also don't forget to like this video and also drop me a comment in the comment section, and let's just get right into the video. I will start with the shaving routine. And for the shaving routine, a lot of you guys make this mistake that when you want to shave, you shave your armpit without applying anything before shaving. If you are doing waxing, that is fine, but if you are not doing waxing and you are using a shaving stick to shave your armpit, what you must do is that whenever you are shaving your armpit, do not make this mistake. Do not forget to use a shaving cream or any other alternative that can also help you enhance the shaving, so that you will not have ingrown hair, bumps and rough skin. Now, when I want to shave my armpits, I shave my armpits with this aloe vera gel. I always apply aloe vera gel under my armpits before I go ahead and use my shaving stick on my armpit. If I'm shaving my armpit, I go like this. I go this way when I'm shaving my armpit. I go upward when I'm shaving my armpit. I do not go like this. No, these are some of the mistakes that you make. When you are shaving your armpit, go upward like this, one way like this, until you completely shave your hair off from your armpit. So that's how I do it, and that's the same routine I follow when I'm also shaving my private parts. I do not forget to use my aloe vera gel. But if you have a shaving cream that you are using, that is also fine. Whenever you are shaving your armpit or your private parts, go ahead and apply your shaving cream, and then go and use your shaving stick to shave your armpits in this way. Okay, then another thing that I need you guys to understand is that aloe vera gel is a very multi-purpose product, and I feel like a lot of you guys are just sleeping on this product. You can use aloe vera gel to do a lot of things, and if you guys want me to make a video concerning aloe vera gel and some of the things that you can use aloe vera gel for, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be also making a video on that. This routine is also going to help you have a clean and smooth skin and a smooth shave. Now, the next thing that I do after shaving my skin is that immediately after shaving, once I'm out of the bathroom, I go in with my baby oil and I apply the baby oil on the area. Like, I just take a little, like so. Let me just show you guys the practical. Little. I just take a little baby oil and just apply it on the armpit, like, and just apply it on my armpits like this. So I just use it to massage it into my skin, and it makes my skin feel soft and it's just smooth and fresh. So that is how I do it. And you know, the baby oil have a very soft and very tender fragrance. So when I apply the baby oil on my armpit area, it just leave my skin smelling good and feeling so fresh. So this is for the routine, and this is the best way that you can shave your armpit and shave your private parts without having ingrown hair, without having bumps and having rough skin texture. It's just going to leave your skin very smooth, very tender, very soft and very clean. Now let's come down to the best way that you can apply your body lotion if you want to see that fast and brightening effect on your skin. So a lot of you know that this is the body lotion that I use. Now this particular routine that I'm going to show to you guys is for any kind of body lotion. Now, a lot of you guys know that this is the body lotion that I use, and this body lotion method that I'm going to show to you guys today is what you can use for any of your body lotion, whether you're using this particular body lotion or you're using any other Nivea or Vaseline or any other product that you want to use. This is how you are going to do it. If you are not seeing that brightening effect on your skin, this is how you are going to do it, how you are going to use your body lotion to get the effectiveness of that body lotion. Now, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to get a good brightening bar soap. Yes, you will need a good brightening bar soap to bathe. When you are in the bathroom, you use a very good brightening bar soap to bathe, and I will put a picture here or here for you guys to show you some of the brightening bar soap that you can use for this body lotion for you to get that effective result. Now, another thing that you need to do is that you also need to exfoliate your skin. And when you want to exfoliate your skin, you need a very good sugar scrub or a salt scrub that can help you to exfoliate your skin. And I made a video about exfoliation, the proper way to exfoliate your skin. I'm just going to leave a link here for you guys to go and watch that video. After watching this video, you can go ahead and watch the other video. Okay, now when you want to exfoliate your skin after bathing. In that video, I elaborate more on how you can exfoliate your skin to get a perfect result for your skin. So go ahead and watch that video, like I said, after this one. Okay, so once you exfoliate your skin, the minute you come out of the shower, ensure that your skin is a little bit damp when you want to apply your body lotion. Now, I just finished taking my bath, and I'm just going to show you guys a practical way on how you can apply your body lotion to get that effectiveness on your skin. So I'm just going to show you guys a practical way to do that. Let me just take some body lotion. So this body lotion is not that moisturizing for some people, like they say, but for me, I do not really have any issues with this body lotion because my skin, I don't really have a dry skin. My skin, when it comes to my body, my skin is normal skin, so I don't really have a dry skin. So I just go ahead and apply my body lotion. Note that I always start from my elbow because this is my joint area, so I normally start from my elbow whenever I'm applying my body lotion. So I just go in like so. So when you are applying your body lotion, you need to take a good amount of the lotion and apply it generously into your skin. Apply it generously into your skin. Don't be stingy with your body lotion. Don't be stingy with your body lotion. Always go generously with it. Like, use generous amounts of it when you are applying it to your skin, so that your skin can be well moisturized, your skin can feel soft and smooth, and just overall feel really moisturized throughout the day. So you will need a good amount of the body lotion. As you guys can see, so once you are done moisturizing your skin like this, the next thing that I do is that I go ahead and use my body oil. Now, this is the body oil that I'm currently using alongside the body lotion. So this body oil is just going to help moisturize my skin and also see in the moisture of this body lotion into my skin. Just going to lock in all the moisture, and it's just going to keep my skin well moisturized for 24 hours. So this is what I am going to currently use. This is also a brightening oil that you can use to enhance the effectiveness of your body lotion. So get a good brightening oil. If you are getting a good brightening soap and a good brightening scrub, you also need to get a good brightening oil to go along with the body lotion. So now I'm going to apply some of the oil into my skin. You guys note that I did not mix my oil into my lotion. I apply my lotion first before I apply my body oil. So that's the best way to use your body oil. Like, use your body oil alongside your body lotion. Do not mix your body lotion and your body oil together. Do not mix it. If not, you are just going to be like temper with the consistency of this particular body lotion and the formulation of the body lotion, and you might not even get the best results from the body lotion. So it's best and it's wise to apply your body oil after your body lotion. So I hope that makes sense. Now you guys can see all the glow. Like, my skin is just literally glowing. Like, my skin is just popping, right? So this is the best way to apply your body lotion and your body oil to get that effectiveness on your skin. Now, the next step that you need to do is that if you are wearing clothes that are exposed, like the one I'm currently wearing, you're wearing something like this, maybe you want to open your body, you want to show your shoulder, or your like a sleeveless or you are wearing like a sleeveless cloth, you can go ahead and use your sunscreen. Now, sunscreen is not meant to use on just your face alone. The reason why most people talk about using sunscreen on your face is because most of the times our face is always exposed to the sun. So that's the main reason why a lot of skincare creators always emphasize on using sunscreen on the face and your neck. But sunscreen is meant to be used everywhere that is exposed to the sun. So it's not just meant for your face alone. So if you are wearing a cloth that is exposed, like if you are wearing a dress and your body is exposed, you will need to go in with your sunscreen. Remember that this product contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is a brightening agent, and it can make your skin a little bit photosensitive. So if you are not using sunscreen to protect your skin, it is just going to make your skin get dark. So you need to use a sunscreen. If you are wearing something that is like a little bit exposed, your skin is a little bit exposed, you need to go in with your sunscreen. But if you are wearing a long sleeve, then that is fine. You can just go ahead and use your sunscreen just on your face and your neck. But if you are wearing something that is exposed like this, go ahead and use your sunscreen. It is very, very important for you to protect your skin, because the sun is not only meant for your face. It's not only going to attack your face, it can also attack your body. If your body is exposed, it can also attack your body. So it's not just the sun is not just going to attack only your face. Okay, so do well to cover your skin. If you know that you are going to be exposing your skin, do it to cover it up with a good sunscreen like the one I'm currently using. This one is also very good. It contains SPF 50, so it's very, very good, and it's going to protect your skin for a very long time. So you can go ahead and use your sunscreen all over your body. Now, some of you might ask this question: how many times should I scrub my body? Now, you need to understand that if your body is kind of tender, like my body is very tender, so I do scrub once in a week. But if you know that you have a very tough skin, I would advise you to scrub at least 2 to 3 times weekly. If you know your skin is very tough, you can scrub 2 to 3 times weekly. But if you know that you have a very soft skin like me, you can also scrub your body once in a week, and I think that is going to be fine, because exfoliating too much is also very bad. So scrub 2 times or 3 times weekly if you have tough skin, and if you have a very soft and tender skin, you can scrub your body once weekly. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Do it to like this video, subscribe, and also share with someone, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.